Hey, if you wonder how big is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, then I can give you some comparison and the specific details about the size of the length of this device and the screen size. So first of all, I will compare this into other smartphones, very popular smartphones. Like for example, this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Take a look, and it looks like they are the same size. Now the Google Pixel 8a, which is definitely smaller device. Right here I've got iPhone. This is actually the iPhone 12. It's also smaller. And now if you wonder about the screen size, so right here we've got, not here, that was actually here. So we've got information on the box. The screen size is 6.8 inches and the length of this device is 172 millimeters. So the size is basically the same like with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Take a look. Of course, this device, the Pixel 9 Pro, is a little bit thicker than the 7 Pro. Take a look. Side by side. Especially this camera bumper is really big. So this is it for this video, the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.